এটা নিয়ে যাও।
Well, so can you guess who is next to me? So today we have very special guest, our Shafin sir. And Shafin sir has crossed 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So
মাশাআল্লাহ।
today I'm gonna make a simple conversation with our honorable teacher, Shafin sir.
Okay.
So firstly, I would like to ask you some simple question. Would you like to answer me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, of course. So I would like to know something about yourself. Especially, I have been following you on YouTube for a long time, and now we have a YouTube channel, and you are our inspiration. So now I'm going to make this conversation for helping the people.
Okay.
As you help the people.
Okay.
So firstly, can you tell me when did you start your YouTube journey?
I started my YouTube journey 5 years back.
Okay, that's nice. সো এখানে কিন্তু আমি সিম্পলি কাউকে যদি পাস্ট টেন্সে প্রশ্ন করতে যাই, কখন আপনি শুরু করেছিলেন, কখন আপনি খেয়েছিলেন, কখন আপনি করেছিলেন, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা হচ্ছে কি ডিড দিয়ে কিন্তু প্রশ্নটা করতে পারি। When did you start your YouTube journey? So then how did you answer?
I started. আনসারটাও কিন্তু পাস্ট টেন্স হবে। Started 5 years ago বলতে পারেন সময়ের সাথে, অথবা আপনি ব্যাক বলতে পারেন। ব্যাক বললে সাউন্ডস রিয়েলি একটু অ্যাডভান্স মনে হবে।
Okay, fine. So now I'm going for the next one. So how long have you been doing YouTube?
I have been making YouTube videos for 5 years.
Okay, 5 years. So especially what types of video do you upload on YouTube?
I try to make spoken IELTS lessons and motivational videos and some kindness videos as well.
Okay, fine. So do you think these types of videos gonna be helpful for the students who wants to go abroad and for their educational purpose?
Yes, it is being helped. All the students right in the country, nationally and internationally as well.
Okay, fine. So now I have another query to you. You know that we have two social media. So one is Facebook and another is YouTube. So which one is more effective for learning? So can you tell me what is the difference between YouTube platform and Facebook platform for learning?
Definitely, I would say that YouTube is very important. The reason is like on YouTube, if you make videos right, there are people watch it
Okay.
now and later as well. But if you make some types of videos right on Facebook, okay, people will watch it for a while. When your videos goes back, people will never try to watch those videos. And there is a way even to search on Facebook.
Right.
If you search some types of videos right, your back in videos, like the videos you made in the past, right, they are not coming back. But if you make some videos on YouTube, you can go back, people can go back to your past videos, right, and they can be benefited, and it can be informative as well for the people right in the country.
Well, so I watched your many videos in different countries. Especially you went many places, America, England, and last Turkey. So I have a query to you. So especially I always face this problem. So can you tell me, should I learn the pronunciation or accent? Which one is very important?
I would say, like, first of all, you have to learn English properly. You have to speak English properly. Pronunciation should be good, not the accent. Pronunciation means you speak something clearly. You sound the words, every single words right properly. Okay, and that what can really help. It should be understandable. Okay, and later on, you need to improve your fluency.
Okay.
You should emphasize on your accent.
Right.
Okay, because first fluency, then accuracy.
Right.
So I ask you the questions, right? You want to first make the building, or you want to design the building?
Firstly, I have to design the building.
First, you have to make it or design it?
Design?
No. First, you have to found it, make it.
Okay.
Design comes later. But some of the teachers and some of the people, students in Bangladesh, they want to design their English first. No.
Okay.
Pronunciation shouldn't be first. First, foundation. Learn, speak, be fluent, then design it. Learn pronunciation, learn accent. You got me what I'm trying to say?
So the first point is that firstly I have to check my fluency and I have to improve my fluency.
English, you have to improve your English. You have
then
to talk.
Right. Then I have
then you improve your sound.
Okay, fine. So do you think you just told me before? So firstly I have to improve my pronunciation. So should I learn any
you're
accent?
Speaking first.
Speaking first. And then I have to improve my pronunciation.
Right.
Fine. So and then many people have many queries regarding accent. Someone wants to learn American accent, someone wants to learn the British accent. But which one is more important?
Okay, it's not about important, it's about your choice.
Okay.
You like burger or chicken, it's your choice.
Okay.
It's not important.
Okay.
Both are important, I must say that. If you want to communicate internationally with the people right in the country, in the world, so you need both accent. You need to learn. American accent, listening power you need to improve.
Right.
The accent you use, they understand. Okay. But you need to understand American English, British English first. Understanding is first, not talking first. Then if it's your choice, you want to speak like American, then learn American accent. You want to speak like British accent. But if you talk like British, American can understand you.
Right.
If you talk like American, British can understand you.
Okay.
So speaking in a individual accent, that's not a matter. But the question is, you have to understand both accent. Understanding is important. Then speaking like them.
Okay, fine. So thanks a million, sir, for valuable time.
Thank you.
So yes,
Thank you.
I'm so much grateful to come here, and thanks for your valuable time once again.
Okay, and thank you. Please do subscribe my channel as well, and follow me on Facebook, Shafin Ahmed, Sheikh Bulbul Ahmed Shafin. This is my Facebook ID as well. Thank you.
And yes, do subscribe our YouTube channel.
And subscribe RDM YouTube channel, and like and thumbs up for the page of RDM School.